To start out, you want to make a loose knot with one of the colors and then a loop with another color and put that loop in the knot and tie a knot in it. And then do the same with the other two ribbons, but I like to mix it up where if you make a loop with the orange on one side, then make the knot with the orange on the other side. Now you want to hold the two loops together where they're facing the same direction. You should have a black and orange ribbon going towards the top and a black and orange ribbon going to the bottom. You want to take the black ribbon on the left and put it into your loop, your black loop, and you'll want to tighten it. And then you'll take your orange ribbon, put it into the loop, the orange loop, tighten that one. Now both of your loops should be facing to the right. Now take your bottom left ribbon, make a loop, put it into the right top loop. Take your other bottom ribbon, make a loop, put it into the right loop, tighten it. Now both of your loops should be on the top. Here's where I make a small mistake. I'm starting with the orange ribbon instead of the black one. When you're working from the left, you always want to start with the bottom ribbon and then do the top ribbon. And then when I'm working from the right, I want to start with the ribbon that's furthest on the left. What that does is it makes that little twist in the center of the braid when you're finished, and it will make that nice little design, and that's also what holds the two military braids together. Since I'm working off the spools, I will just continue to braid this until I get it to the length I want, which is 18 inches on this one.